Hello everyone, today I will introduce our hot selling item FHSM-318 for you. As you can see, this is hand wheel to control the needle up and down, and this is the reverse sewing button, on-off switch, speed button, and we have 2 speed. High speed is for experienced one, and low speed is for beginners. This is the thread tension dial to change the thread tension, and this is the needle bar. And we have 2 drawers. This is the first one, and this is the second one. You can put accessories in this drawer.
Hello everyone, this is our model FHSM-318. You can see we have the plastic bag to protect the machine, and then packed with the foam. And we have one adapter, a foot pedal, a fat bed, and the black and white user manual. And then put them all into the foam. And put it inside the gift box. This is the packing.